bike just wants to go today. We're doing 57. You guys see that, right? Woo-hoo-hoo. We were flying on the sidewalk. Oh yeah. What's up, everybody? Ooh, it's another day. It's nice out. I got the shorts on. I don't want to go down. That would suck. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo. We were flying on the sidewalk. Let's take this way. See what's up here. Oh yeah. So the audio that I recorded, oh damn. Whee! The audio that I recorded when I was going to my girlfriend's house wasn't that great, and I'm hoping I fixed it a little bit. I just moved the tape that was already there, and hopefully it's not clicking anymore. So what was happening, it wasn't sitting straight, and it was kind of bouncing up and down on the plastic on inside my helmet, and it was making a clicking noise. Oh damn. Next to railroad tracks. God, it is so nice today. Graduation is officially over. My eyes are watering already. Alright, time to put my visor down. Because now you guys can hear me, and I love it that I can put my visor down. Breaking the law. I'll probably move the microphone around and tape it a little bit better. Right now, I can actually feel it. I can feel my mouth hitting it every so often, so I have to kind of pull my face away from the front of the helmet. So I got to figure out something for it. I just, when I went to my girl's house, I had the microphone pointed a little bit below the helmet, just so a little bit of the foam of the microphone was outside of the helmet. Only because I really wanted to get the sound of the bike. I don't want to just have me talking. I want to get like the outside noises and stuff like that. I feel like it'd be too boring if all you hear is just me. So I want to get the outside noises and all that stuff. And that didn't seem to work out too well because the wind must have been flapping the mic back and forth against my helmet. And I don't know how much of the clip I'll use before this, because if the audio is pretty bad, I'll probably just leave it out. I don't want to kill your guys' ears. Bike just wants to go today. We're doing 57. You guys see that, right? 57, 58. There's a lot of people that will claim, oh, I have this, I have that, and then they never show their bike going that speed. And I've seen a lot of talk on the Facebook pages of people saying stuff about it, like not believing people's videos. But hey, in my video, you see me. I'm using an actual GPS. I use the same GPS from my Onyx, and hey, that's legit. But this is a real speed, guys. Real speed. I guess when I first got the bike, it felt really fast. It feels like you're just hauling ass everywhere you go, and I guess I've gotten so used to it that now even 55 doesn't seem that fast. 60 starts feeling a little fast because you get a lot of wind. But for the most part, it just doesn't seem fast anymore. Let's pass this truck. I think that's my buddy Omar. Yeah, you're gonna get ran over, fool. My legs are pretty chilly, but it feels great. Also, the lights that I have, the turn signals, they lasted a pretty good while. Maybe almost 2 weeks, and then they died. I just charged them all last night, but I don't use them during the day. I just use them at nighttime. And I want to say the left side was the one that was already dead. It's not too bad. I mean, if I had to charge them every 2 weeks, that's not bad. It sucks that they take a while to charge. They're not USB-C or anything like that, but I think 2 hours on the charger, I think I'm good to go. They snap right back on the bike. It's not like I gotta take the whole harness and everything that I put on there already, so it's not bad. I really suggest people getting these if they ride their bike in the street. It's just another thing, you know, you tell a cop like, hey, like, I'm an electric bike, you know, but sometimes I have to get in the street to turn onto another street, or sometimes there's not a bike lane on some of the roads that I take to work, and I put signals just to be on the safe side. Put a helmet and, you know, front and rear lights on. This guy has a lot of paint on the back of his truck. I want to move already. I'm like in the very back of the pack and no one's got behind me yet. Hate being the last person, just in case someone's not paying attention. I'd rather be in between two cars or something. I can get this bike to do 60 miles an hour plus. The most I've got it was 63. I just have to turn up the settings again. The main setting is field weakening, and that's what really changes your top speed. But the more you put it, the more heat it generates, and then also the more torque you lose. So that's why I kind of kept my field weakening down, only because I want more torque. But I don't want to change the sprocket out, because if I change the sprocket out, that's changing my top speed for more torque. It hit 55 all day long with the settings I have it on. After 55, I got to kind of tuck and, you know, be on the throttle for a really long period of time to start getting it to go faster and faster. So I'm really happy with where it's at right now, but I can't wait. When they got a 72 volt battery on it, it's gonna be insane. That torque is gonna be pretty scary, and I still think I'm gonna keep the exact same sprocket size. I'm not gonna change it. I'll beat this car because I want to get that 80 miles per hour for you guys. But I'll be honest, that's not something I plan on doing 24/7. I'm gonna look up these tires and I'm gonna see exactly what they're rated for, because I'm not trying to have a blowout. But I would like to have one video where I do go on the freeway just to do it. But I just gotta wait for that battery to come in, and it's not ready yet. So alright guys, like I said, this is the day after the graduation. I just got home. I didn't leave last night because it was like 12 or 1 o'clock, and I did not have a jacket or anything to wear, and obviously I'm in shorts. So alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for all the good videos coming up. I want to start doing more talking on these videos now that I have my mic, and hopefully it's working out. So I'll go edit the video right now and see how it came out. And if it did come out kind of messed up, I'll just take out some of the clips where the microphone was all messed up, so you guys don't have to deal with that. Sorry guys, later.